Hello everyone, I am Shankar Rajput. My today's topic name is the abstraction in Java. Today's date is the 21 of May 2024. The abstraction class is the specific type of class in object oriented programming and that uh, cannot be installed directly. Is the 7 as the benefit as other classes to be the delivers from. Same of the key feature of and abstract class include first is the cannot be interested abstract class cannot be directly which is the you cannot create the object of the abstract class. Second is the contains at the contents of the list on for the virtual the function. Abstract class must cannot as the list of the four virtual function, which means that a function has number of implementation and must be implemented by any delivers the classes. Third point is the abstract classes can have the both the abstract and the non-abstract methods. A non-abstract method have the completed implementations of can be called directly. Four is the abstract class can have the constructor and dissector like any other class. Abstract class can be have abstract classes that can be have the variable that belong to the object with the class. Abstract class can be you are the used for the basis class for other classes, which means that they can be implemented by the other class. Abstract class and interface are the both used to depends concept of object oriented programming, but there are some key difference between them. Definitions: abstract class can be class that cannot be interpreted can be consistent of both abstract and non-abstract methods, and interface in of the others the head for the simplified of the set of methods that class must implement. Second is the method implementations in the abstract class. Some method can be implemented in which others or the left abstract, meaning that they have two implementations and must of the overriding by the concept subclasses. In the consent, all the methods in the implementation by the default abstract and must be implemented by any class by implemented the interface. Interface a class of the instance from only once abstracts can abstract, but it is the interface. This is the because is the abstracts class the response type of the object, which is the interface response of the behaviors. Third is the access modifier. Access modifier, the abstract class can be have the access modifiers such as the public, protected, and private for their method, and proprietary, which interface can only when the public accesses. Fourth point is the variable. In the abstract, a class can be have the members variable, numbers of variables, which is the interface cannot. The as is the below abstract refers internal implementations of the feature of the showing the function of the can use the represent the features of highly how their future are in the implemented behaviors. The access where interface another way of the abstract in the Java. Both the abstract class and the interface are the used for the abstraction interface and abstraction class. Type of the methods. Type of the method uh, how the abstract method and consent methods from Java can be have to default static methods also. From Java is the have the private consent method as the will. Find the variable defaults in the Java interface, and the defaults as the abstract class can be contains not final variable. Type of the variable abstract class in have the final, non-final, static and non-static variable. The interface has the only static and the final variable implementations. Abstract class can be provided in the implementations of the interface. Interface can provide the implementations of the abstract class. Abstract class Java interface can be implemented using of the keywords implementation, and the abstract class can also be instant using the keywords instance. Multiple implementations and the interface and explain or the multiple in inheritance multiple inheritance can be provided by the use for the interface where the sum code does by they use by abstract class. Because in the class one class implemented multiple interface, but can be class the contents in the class can be there the just position the class, and the would train the platform that date of Java interface the final by the default Java abstract or abstract class. You can have the class the subclasses in it is from while the interface and is used for the depends on the methods that class the implement. Thank you for this listening.